Welcome to this remote e-learning video on how to use the GivEducation Toolkit. Our letter writing assistant is a powerful tool in supporting teachers who need to respond to emails or communications but perhaps don't have the time. To use this tool, you can either write in this box or, after clicking start recording, you can speak into it. You then describe what you want to say. This doesn't have to be word for word. Once you're happy, you can then stop recording. In this example, I have described but also prompted the system. Once you're happy, you then scroll down to these sliders and they allow more personalised communication. You can then copy it into an email and then do further personalisation. Before we move on to the next video, make sure you spend some time looking at some of the other tools. This is our last video. Thank you for listening.